Once again we will use the Atl-atl, the amazing Aztec Mexica spear arrow thrower. Compared to the last time, now I'm using a smaller version of projectiles. In this video I'm experimenting with it so that I can get the right experience to make many crafting and technical advancements. These big arrows can be used to train a bow technique that we have seen many times before. By shooting with my techniques, you're avoiding the archer's paradox, by pushing your bow downwards. That makes the fletching of the arrow never hit the bow. The bowl of these arrows can prove to you that you're doing it right. If you fail, it's gonna hurt. In these next clips, follow what I'm doing and read carefully my notes to learn how to use an Atl-atl. Hunter technique. This is the name I'm giving to the techniques that allow you to load and shoot your projectile without you needing to take your eyes from your target. Always align your Atl-atl to be in a parallel line with your gaze and extended arm. This is your crossfire. Hold your loaded shot straight and do not let it fall in any of the two sides. The exit is what determines a successful shot, so make sure that you're holding everything right. Remember, you want to make a vertical cutting movement with your thrower. Not like this, but like this. If you won't do this right, then your arrow will not be pushed correctly and it will fly way off. Our body has the ability to find the target that we are pointing at with unbelievable accuracy. Pointing with the arm and finger first will help you place the arrow in the right position. There is a certain point of release. This point in front of you is where you crack your full force. All of the force comes from below and travels upwards. Use your entire body to make accurate and strong shots. Look at my movements and copy them.